made it to our destination, Silver Run Falls Trailhead, but we have one slight problem. It is pouring rain outside, but we are going to hike there anyway and see this beautiful little waterfall. It's a small 200-yard hike on flat terrain, so let's go. Woohoo! Hiking in the rain. Woo! Silver Run Falls this way.
You're gonna get wet, buddy.
No.
If you've made it with me this far, please give me that thumbs up. Hit it as hard as you can. That helps the channel out a lot. Lets YouTube know that you appreciate the work I do. We're about to start this trail barefooted. Here we go. I'll show you all what I'm about to trek down. Let's roll with it. Take a little quick Austin pincher real quick, y'all. See, I'm still barefooted. Thought this was too cool to pass up. A dead log I'm climbing on here. Out in the middle of this river. Fall in right there, you're gonna get washed down the stream for a second. To the next spot. Carolina woods here in Cashiers, North Carolina. Waterfall back there in the background. Just want to show y'all where I'm heading. Just like that, y'all. Back to my car. My fully engine.
This is the ride home. Bunch of rain. Yeehaw! Oh! We made it back to the car safe and sound. We had a quick, small, fun adventure in the rain. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, later, alligator. Or